Hello, my name is Ebony Fletcher, and today I'm going to show you how to create quizzes using Microsoft PowerPoint. Using PowerPoint to create quizzes provides interactivity with the learner to help keep them engaged. They can be integrated into the lesson as pre-test, post-test, or to provide feedback throughout the lesson. To begin, open PowerPoint and use an existing presentation or create a new one. I'm going to use this sample file I created about multimedia instruction. Start at the home screen and click New Slide. From there, you'll create your title slide. After creating your title slide, you will click Title Only. You're choosing this slide because you're going to add your own content. You want to go ahead and add duplicate slides for later. In order to do that, click on the slide and click Duplicate Slide, and I will just add a few. You can add more or delete as you proceed. Now that you've added your slides, you can now type in your question. As you can see, I've already typed my question. When you get ready to type, just design the question as you would like as far as font size, color, and those different options. After you have typed in your question, now you are ready to make your answer choices. Depending on your type of quiz, you're going to insert text boxes for multiple choice or true-false. Since I am creating a true-false quiz, I'll insert two text boxes by going to Insert, Shapes, and I'll choose the rounded rectangle. Size these as needed, depending on your preference. Since I'm doing a true-false quiz, I need to make two boxes. So while this box is selected, I will right-click, copy, right-click again, and paste. That way I can have two boxes for my true-false quiz. Design these as you wish. I am going to make it more uniform to flow with the rest of the presentation. So with the box selected, I'll right-click, and this dialog box comes up. For fill, I want to choose no fill. I'm going to leave the outline as is, and I'm going to apply the same format to my other box. And I will type in my responses. Now is when you make it interactive. Select the shape, click Insert, and choose Action. This opens up the settings. You will add a hyperlink to the shape that will take the learner to another slide depending on the answer choice. It is important to link the correct slide so that your presentation runs smoothly. Choose mouse click or mouse over, then select Hyperlink to. Then you will choose the slide that you want this button to link to. Because this question is true, I want it to link to a slide that says you are correct. I will create that on slide 10, so I will choose Slide and select slide 10 and click OK. I want a sound to play when they get it correctly, so I will choose Play Sound and choose Chime. Then click OK. I want to create the same action for my false button, so with the button selected, I'm already in Insert, go to Action, again mouse click, hyperlink to, This will link to slide 11, which shows you are incorrect, and click OK. No sound will play for this, so I can close this settings box by clicking OK. Now I need to create the slides that my buttons link to. I'll start with slide 10, which the true button links to, and I am going to type "You are correct" in my text box. Again, you design this as you wish. I am going to make the font a little bigger by right-clicking and increasing my font, and I'm going to center it. Again, you do this as you wish. I also want to add a smiley face, so I'll go up here to Insert, Icons, and choose Faces to the left, and I want to add the smiley face and click Insert. As you can see, when I did that, it gives me some options to the side that I can choose. I like this first one, so I will choose that design, and I'll make a few changes to my smiley face. Again, this is user preference. Now that I've adjusted my slide the way that I would like, I need to add a button or an arrow to advance to the next question after this slide. So, again, go to Insert, go to Icons or Shapes. I'm going to choose Arrows, and I like this first arrow, so I will select it and click Insert. Again, it gives you the options here to the side. I don't want to use any of these options. I'm going to design it myself, so I'm going to select this arrow, move it down toward the bottom of the page, and make adjustments. I also want to link this arrow to the next question, which will be on slide 12. So I'll make sure to select it, go to Insert, Action, and perform those same actions. Mouse click, hyperlink to, choose Slide, and it will go to slide 12 where my next question will be. Click OK, and click OK again. Now I have made all the adjustments that I need to. I've also created my slide that says, "Sorry, that's not right," or "You are incorrect," whichever you choose. And now I'm ready to view my presentation. So I'll go here to the top and choose the slideshow button, and go through the slide just to check to make sure everything flows smoothly. These are the questions that I created in the beginning, so I will choose false. And as you can see, it tells me I'm not right, and I can click here and it will take me to the next question. And again, I will continue here. Sorry, that's not right. Next question. This is the question that we just created. Multimedia learning refers to learning with words and pictures. I'll choose true, and it says you are correct. And let's check to see if our arrow links to slide 12. And as you can see at the bottom, it does. So I'll close out of slideshow view now. From here, you can add and edit your presentation as needed. As you can see, this is a relatively easy way to include interactivity into your multimedia instruction to help engage your learners. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please email me at err2@msstate.edu with any questions. Thank you.